Welcome to Ashik Iqbal. Copyright disclaimer under Section 107 of the Copyright Act 1976. Ashik. Iqbal. Ashik Iqbal. Hi, my dear friends, it is Ashik Iqbal. See full of my videos to be a strong part of education or to get more knowledge. Time to start now. Mathematical induction. First of all, we have to know two basic topics, statement and mathematical statement. When two or more words staying one after another express the language of mind, then it is called sentence. And a sentence which is marked as true or false is called statement. So an statement must be a sentence, but a sentence always may not be an statement. Again, statement is related to mathematical relation is called mathematical statement. For example, 1, Adam is a good boy, and 2, Andrew is reading about combination and permutation. These two are statements, not mathematical statements, cause here are no mathematical relation. 3, 700 is divided by 70, and 4, n factorial is equal to n minus 1 factorial into n. These two are statements and mathematical statements both, because here are two individual mathematical relations. Mathematical induction is a gradual mathematical and logical process. It grows step by step like a vertical ladder. In core portion, let P of n be a statement with natural number n, such that 1 P of 1 is true, and 2 P of m plus 1 is true if P of m is true. Then P of n is true for all n belongs to n, where n is set of all natural numbers. This is called first principle of mathematical induction, and let P of n be a statement with natural number n, such that 1 P of 1 is true, P of m plus 1 is true if P of n is true for all n less than equal to m. Then P of n is true. This is called second principle of mathematical induction. Explanation. P of n is true for 1, 2, 3 and going on natural number. And if P of m is true, then P of m plus 1 is true. 3, as P of n is true for n equal to 1 and m plus 1, so P of n is true for all n belongs to n. Algorithm. 1. Let P of n be a statement and show that P of 1 is true. 2. Let P of m is true, then prove that P of m plus 1 is true. 3. As P of n is true for n equal to 1 and m plus 1, so P of n is true for all n belongs to n. Note. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get more such types of educational videos at first of all. Never forget to like and share. Yay, I love you so much. Bye bye.